Hello, TidyCal enthusiasts. Welcome to the update you have been waiting for, the specific dates feature. TidyCal now allows you to set your availability on specific dates, all within TidyCal. Stick around. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our incredible tips and tricks. So if you're ready to take control of your calendar like never before, let's dive in. First, let me show you how you can display your availability for specific dates. 1. Log into TidyCal. 2. Create a new booking type. 3. Configure your booking type to your liking. 4. When asked, when are you available for this booking? Select specific dates. 5. Set the dates you want to show as available by clicking Add New Date. Set the first date and time block, and you can even add multiple time blocks on the same date. 6. Complete the booking type setup. 7. Save the booking type. Remember, the first hour of the day in TidyCal is 12 a.m. or 0 o'clock, and each day ends at 11:59 p.m. or 23:59. Do not end your time block at 12 a.m. or 0 o'clock, as this will disable your time block on the live booking calendar. Existing events in the calendar that you have integrated with TidyCal will still block dates and times. And that's it for setting up availability on specific dates. Now, let's move on to blocking specific dates inside TidyCal. 1. Inside your booking type settings, scroll down to the relevant section. 2. Select weekly and configure your daily time blocks. 3. Set specific dates that you're not available by clicking the box, and be aware of the time coverage of the override. 4. When you're all good, save the booking type. Now you've successfully mastered the specific dates feature, and you're ready to rock your scheduling with TidyCal. Don't forget to smash that like button if this video was helpful, and subscribe for more TidyCal wisdom. Questions? Suggestions? We'd love to hear them. Drop a comment below or reach out to us directly via originals@appsumo.com. Until next time, keep scheduling smart with TidyCal, because a tidy calendar is a happy calendar. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.